everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to share with you my exercise for back fats. Number 1 to ay back fats yan, guys, and not just back fats, for the whole body na rin. So let's do this. Some squat position, then pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then pwede mo lang ganun, guys, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Nga lang siya, guys, sobra. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and please follow me. See you on the next exercise. Tangala siya, kahit ganyan.